That emphasis is on our people. It's always been a priority, but now it's our purpose. That's what we're going to be known for.
The employees here, I love working with all my coworkers. They make the experience a lot better.
I love being a part of a team that feels more just like community focused.
I'm Jamie Hunley. I am the owner of Point Loma Electrical and Plumbing here in San Diego, and I'm here with my friend Tim Hook giving us the big tour. So this is the main area of our operation. This is where we do all of our training and where all the magic happens. This is Selena. She's our dispatcher.
And what are you working on today, by the way?
Currently, I've been dispatching our electrical team, so I have all of our electricians here, all the jobs, just making sure all of our invoices are correct and looking good. All of our timesheets are looking good. A satisfying board is just when we have work for all the guys. We don't have to sit anybody at home, and we can keep everybody working and grooving. Getting our customer services same day is also a great board. A challenge I have right now is just trying to make sure I got lots of work to keep our guys going and making sure we get a full day. Really haven't had too much challenges here. It's been a really good team to work with.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Of course.
And here we have our Chelsea.
So I'm the CSR supervisor, so I work with our whole CSR team. It's kind of the biggest challenge, and one of my favorite parts in one is working with a team and playing to all of our strengths and weaknesses, being able to lean on each other. So it does get challenging at times being a whole group of us, but we work very well together.
What would you say is if you had to challenge like somebody who didn't have this position right now, like how would you sell the idea of an inside salesperson?
Well, the first question you ask is there holes? You know, is there business that you're not capturing? You know, that you think you could capture, and then that's the first question I would ask. And then from there, it's like, well, then you need an inside salesperson, somebody who can reach out to those customers, provide not just this like experience where you're just being talked at or talked to or trying to be sold something, but someone who genuinely is interested in in where the customer's at, you know, where they're actually at in their life and their emotions in that moment that you talk to them.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right, shall we talk to some plumbers?
What's something you've been seeing more of lately that you guys have been seeing?
Yes, I see a lot of cast iron. San Diego is getting older now to where these pipes are, 60 plus years old, when cast iron has a life expectancy of about 50 to 60 years. So we are seeing a lot of older drains, things starting to fall apart,
clay
root
piping,
intrusion, clay piping. People love to flush their wipes, and you shouldn't be flushing wipes to begin with. So we're seeing a lot of that activity. The old drains just can't handle modern solutions.
Job security with the wipes?
Yes, but it's not a good thing.
Yes, it is not a good thing.
Yes, it's job security, but it's not a good thing.
Job security, a plumber's best friend.
Why?
It is not.
Educate the customer when you're there.
Meetings here, we have meetings once a week, sometimes twice a week. We go over our numbers, our KPIs, and see how everybody's doing.
Love the big, there's a Service Titan up here.
Yeah, it's Service Titan. We use different monitors depending on what we're talking
And
about.
what is the real principle of having stuff up on, because not everyone has that up at their office. So what is the real principle behind having that big and visual?
You can't win if you're not measuring it. You've got to keep score in order to win. So we want everybody keeping score both individually and as a company and as a department. So everybody on their iPads, they've got scorecards for their average ticket, their number of calls run, their closing rate, and then this tells us how the company is doing as a whole.
Awesome.